हरे कृष्ण। ओम ज्ञानतिमिरान्धस्य ज्ञानाञ्जनशलाकया अक्षरन्मीलितं येन तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। नमो विष्णुपादाय कृष्णपृष्ठाय भूतले श्रीमते भक्तिवेदान्तस्वामीति नामिने। नमस्ते सारस्वते देवे गौरवाणविचारिणे विशेषशून्यवादी पाश्चात्यदेशकारिणे। जय श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद प्रिय द्वैत श्रीवासदि गौरभक्तमि। हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे। Hare Krishna. So we will continue our uh, discussion on this topic. So this is the movements of sun. I will try to share the screen for you to uh, very nice description of movements of sun are there, and then we will come to the other sections, and little bit of cosmology we should have some idea. So that is good only, that is helpful. So I wanted to show you some videos related to this aspect of two. Yes. So here you are able to see the movement of sun. Actually, these pictures are very helpful. So I think you are able to see them clearly. Second part we should. So we will try to decode little bit of it. I will try to draw also for you. So here you are seeing this image. You try to see. Uh, this is Shushma. That will come in the next chapter. I will not take that constellations. Just give me a few seconds. I'll just show the image and accordingly. This is going to come in next chapter, so I will not take now. Actually, I should go to the second part, third part. Just give me a few seconds. Actually, you explained about sun in part two. I'm just trying to open part somehow. It is net is very slow. It is getting stuck. I'm really sorry for that. Okay, I got it. Yes, thank you. Sorry for making you wait, but this is very important. See, try to remember this photo. This will be very helpful. Uh, so we'll understand this chapter very nicely from these images that are shown here. So how the movement of sun is. Sun's movement, it is not so in July, this is month wise the movement of sun. So if you see that sun is not rising at the same direction on same time every day, so there will be some change in directions. So even if you take this as east, sometime it will be rising in this direction, sometimes from here. So there will be some differences in it. So we'll try to understand all these things. So, and another important thing to remember that Earth is not straight; it is tilted. So there is 23.5 degrees tilt in Earth. And if you are seeing this part, no, the North Pole is here and South Pole is here. After Greenland, this is North Pole and this is South Pole. So it is not exactly straight, it is tilted. So now South Pole is, and now exactly perpendicular to South Pole, means in this direction, you are able to see with the cursor. In this direction is Dhruva Loka. So how it comes, How it comes is this is I will explain now why it is tilted, because that will help in the what do you say, for the seasons to appear. So there is slight tilt in here, and this will actually so now sun is not in the center. It is of course it is directly going on equator, but the what do you say, the earth is like this. So here the sun is there, but earth is like this. It is tilted. So you are understanding. So winter and summer. So now what happens? Sometimes uh, when sun is this side, then up will be summer, down will be winter, and sun is this side, then this is. So, and another thing is, you see, presently how our understanding is the earth is rotating and the sun is at a fixed place. But uh, but the orbit of but our understanding is earth is fixed, only sun is rotating. So sun rotates because it is rotating, and this is Manasottara mountain. On this top of this is sun's axle. You are seeing this red ball here. This is where the sun is, but the axle is on the Manasottara mountain, and another axle is on Mount Meru. I will You'll understand with the next picture. Next image will make it clear for you what it is, how the sun is moving, and how the seasons are coming. Now you are seeing here the earth, it is in the middle. Middle means it is actually Mount Meru, and we are just touching to Mount Meru. That is the reason we are in the middle, and the sun is rotating around. But sun is not at Manasottara mountain. I showed you in the previous image. So next image will also will be clear for you. So these are all mathematically verifiable understandings. The sun is little above, and how much above and all will be clear for you. Just few seconds, and now you see sun is not at the same height of earth. It is above the earth. How much above? Just the height will be of that of Mount Meru. See, earth is here, Mount Meru is here, and sun's height and Mount Meru's height are same. Means this is called Bhuvarloka. Above Mount Meru comes Bhuvarloka planetary system, and we are at Bhuloka planetary system, right? So now, because Dhruvalokana exactly above Mount Meru, somewhere in the top, that also I'll show. So you all saw the picture previously also, where there is Mount Meru above Dhruvalokana. But Earth is here, na? So, but the North Pole should be of Dhruvaloka. So that's why Earth is tilted. So that you get the same North Pole is exactly on the top of Mount Meru. I think, yeah. So here sun is there, here Manasottara mountain is there, and here Sumeru mountain. You are seeing, so this image is showed in a big way. Here the sun, and here is Mount Meru, and this is Manasottara mountain. So the axle of sun is here, and one more is on the top of Mount Meru. So this will rotate, and fixed point is Mount Meru. So this is how the rotation of sun happens. So what I will do, I will draw for you so that it will become clear. Now, this basic astrology we'll learn today. See, uh, here, Mount Meru, the dimensions are not accurate, so you can have to. bear with it. So here Mount Meru is there, and here the sun planet, sun is moving, and here somewhere here is Earth, our Bharata Khanda is there, which is called Earth. So you can count this as Mount Meru, and all this is Jambu Dvipa, and then all the Varshas and everything are around. Okay, so in one of the places around the sun is also moving, and one axial it is a fixed point. So this is a fixed point which is touching the sun. Okay, can consider this as sun. And now another axial, the wheel of sun. This is on Manasottara mountain. So now why I am drawing Manasottara mountain also you should understand why it is like this. So so many dvipas are there like this. All they are little better than what I am drawing, but you to get an idea, to give you an idea. So this is where the Manasottara mountain is there. So now this Manasottara mountain means this Manasottara mountain is all around the, means it is a big circle. It is not just at one place. The mountain is mountain range. It is like the mountain range is in a slopy form. Means it is whole is a sloped mountain, like that you understand. So here we have sun, and so sun is here. This is the Manasottara mountain, and here is Mount Meru. Okay, so here we have Earth, and up somewhere here is pole star, and it is exactly perpendicular to Mount Meru is perpendicular to pole star, and our north pole is also perpendicular to pole star. So because it is little far from Mount Meru, little bit, that's why there is a tilt, so that the north pole matches with the pole star. So that is why it is having a tilt, and that tilt which I showed in the previous image is to help get different seasons. So now uh, till now it is clear. So I'll explain you now. At least you understood three things. Where is the position of sun? Where does the sun stands? First one. Second is where is Manasottara mountain? And third is like what is the like it is more. This is actually sun is near to Mount Meru than Manasottara mountain. That also to be understood. Okay. Now I'll show you some more images to make it more clear. This class is recorded, so you will get it anyway. So I'll show you some more images from the video to make it clear. So now this is clear, na? Which I draw the same thing I have made into. So here Mount Meru, Sun and Manasottara mountain. Now we'll go further. So now you are seeing here one image is drawn. You are seeing there are different lines here of this the chakra. So this is actually the Manasottara mountain. So it moves. So for dairies, so now one interest. Now next level we understand. Now what happens? The sun moves around this whole one. It makes one circle in one day. That is 24 hours. You are understanding? The sun's movement around this line you are seeing, na, the wheel moves around the Manasotra mountain. It goes so fast, even though such a long distance, it will complete in 24 hours only. So this is very important to understand. What is the speed of sun? Because this wheel is moving around the sun, because it is connected, it's the chariot with this only one wheel. The sun god is also moving, and he makes one round. So because he made one round, it will be one day for all of us. So I will draw for you and explain now here to make it simple. I am showing images and both so that it will become easy. So this Mount Meru, and here is the sun, and here is its wheel, and here is sun. So now it makes one round, one rotation around Mount Meru. It takes 24 hours. That is one day. Now, because Earth is here, what is happening? So the movement of one sun around, it will be one day for Earth. So one day for us, 24 hours. So within one day, you are getting sun. Now you are seeing the sun just rose. It is already started quite a long distance it crossed. Now for us, now it is very small distance only, but you can imagine what is the circle that Manasottara mountain is so huge, and at what speed the sun is rotating to cover this much distance. So this is the speed of sun to make one day. Clear? Now, uh, same thing with the moon also. Moon also rotates one round in one day. Little less. There is some different calculations for moon. But we take the day and night calculation according to sun only. Moon's rising and setting will vary little bit. Now, till now it is clear. Now I'll tell that this is at the Bhuvarloka planetary system. Now at Swargaloka planetary systems also there are movements. So that I will explain. That will make you understand about Rashis, Grahas, how they calculate. That also some basic idea I'll try to give you. Yes, Nitish.
Hare Krishna Prabhuji, Dandapranam Prabhuji.
Yes.
Prabhuji, I didn't understand here. The sun is another place and the wheel is another place. I didn't understand. That
What
wheel
sun
is
is?
sun place is different and wheel place is different. Sir. I didn't understand that.
Yes, yes. Sun's place is different and wheel's place is different. The sun's chariot wheel is on Manasottara, but sun is more near to Mount Meru. So he has a means chariot and wheel are little far. I don't know how the chariot is made, but the wheel is on the Mansotra and Lord is on the chariot which is having wheel somewhere far. And that is how it is.
Okay. Now, sir, how it is possible, Prabhuji?
I'll show the image of it.
Right.
Yeah, I'll show the image of sun god. I'm just searching the image. I have seen few images. So generally what images people draw is sun is sitting on a chariot, but the wheel of the chariot is not at under him. It is somewhere very far, and that was single uh, wheel is there. Immediately I'm not getting the image, Mataji. I'll show you the image once I get. How means this is the image that is drawn, but we can I think in this video actually. Yes, Rupran.
Hare Krishna, Prabhuji, Dandatna. Prabhuji, I have one question, Prabhuji. In the before you explained that about this Loka mountain, no, Prabhuji, that outer area is it's a Loka mountain only, no, Prabhuji. So where is this Manasotara mountain is actually situated? Prabhuji?
Oh, Mansatra mountain is before Lokalaka. Oh, I'll show you that diagram. Yes.
And one veil is on that Manasutra, and the other veil is in Meru mountain, Prabhuji, for the chariot. It is resting.
Yes.
It is like that, Prabhuji. Yeah. And in our Bhuloka only, the sun is covering 1 day, 24 hours. Is it's like that, no, Prabhuji. Not in Bhuloka, it
For
is
everyone,
Bhuloka.
it is like that only. One
1 day.
day. Yeah.
Okay, Prabhuji. Thank.
Uh, okay, one more image I got. I will just show you. Actually, I am opening all the videos, but I am not doing homework properly. That's this one just small image which gives the dimensions I wanted to share with you. See, this is very important. The
Yes,
distance is 100 million miles. Sahasra Yojana Parabhan. When
okay.
Hanuman Chalis also says,
Okay.
this is 100 million miles. But
Ah,
according to the height, night is only 0.8 million miles.
okay.
So it is at a different, the means there is vertical distance and horizontal distance.
Okay,
So
Prabhuji.
horizontally, sun is looks very far,
Yeah.
but vertically it is very less because it is just next level of mandala. Is Bhuvarloka mandala.
Okay. They're
But when it
situated in the
comes to
Bhuloka, sun,
uh,
Prabhuji. Oh,
uh,
okay.
but moon, if you see moon, it is a different height, but
Uh-huh.
it is looks very near to Earth.
Earth. Yes, Prabhuji.
And actually, this is also not the moon. It is actually the moon will be at little higher. It is a
Okay.
reflection of moon, and
Uh-huh.
that's why this is Rahu planet.
Oh, okay.
So this is also I will show with some images which I will explain further.
Well, moon is even more higher than sun planet, Prabhuji, situated. That is more than Bhuloka, Prabhuji, according to.
And this moon which we are seeing now, na,
Yes,
it
Prabhuji.
is at a, it is not complete uh, understanding of moon. It is just Prabhupada says it is
Reflection.
like Rahu planet.
Okay.
So I will explain why Prabhupada is calling they are going to Rahu. Why not
Oh,
moon? I will explain maybe in the next session. You can
oh,
remind me.
okay.
I will prepare for it.
The regarding scientists, what they where they have gone.
Where
Prabhupada
they are
is-
going, and now
Oh,
also where they are going, it is they are going
okay,
to Rahu only. Why they are not going to moon? Because Prabhupada said in moon planet there will be so many beautiful gardens, apsaras and all. Why
okay,
Prabhupada is calling? Okay, I will
okay,
explain that.
okay, okay, Prabhuji.
But here I wanted to show you this concept.
Okay, subtle space.
Vertical dimensions. Yeah, so you see, this is Manasottara mountain where you are,
Okay.
I am
Yes,
showing,
yes, right.
and behind that is Loka Loka mountain. It's
Oh,
quite
okay,
very far. So
okay, okay,
Manasottara mountain, it divides the last Dvipa into two parts.
okay,
And after that, then comes the Manasottara mountain.
okay, Prabhuji. No,
Sorry,
Aloka,
Loka Loka
Aloka,
mountain. Yeah,
Aloka,
Aloka
Aloka.
Varsha. So
Yes, that is the
last
last one.
Dvipa is two parts.
Ah, okay.
Last Deepa is two parts, and after that, after that, this is
Is
Kanchanloka, then comes that. So, but you see,
Aloka. Ah,
sun is quite near to Mount Meru only.
okay.
Manasottara is quite
Where is
very far.
actually in the circular ring, where is approximately sun, Prabhuji? You know that
This is
Dvipa island, ocean, it is because it is in the concentric, which actually it is above, where exactly, Prabhuji? The sun?
third Deepa only.
Third island,
End of
Oh,
the third Deepa is sun, but it is not on the Deepa, it is above only.
yeah, above. Yeah, I'm just, because in this picture it is
Yeah,
showing like this, no, Prabhuji, so I was curious.
it is above.
Yeah, it is above. You said it is in the plane of Bhorloka, not in the touching
Yeah,
Bholoka, right,
Bhuloka
Prabhuji?
only. Yes,
Yeah,
yes,
yeah.
yes.
Okay, okay, Prabhuji. Perfect. Thank you so much, Prabhuji. Hare Krishna.
And yeah, there are lower planets in it. This is actually now uh, different things are explained. So at different places. So I am trying to bring everything in one place. So there are different videos and different explanations. It will be confusing. That's why I'm not trying to take everything from the video. It is like quite. Uh, See, you are seeing here, Loka Loka Varsha is so far, and this is where is the sun rotating. So the distance is quite far. I will, anyway, that will not go now. Now, okay, this is uh, now zodiac. I'll explain. Okay, now I have to explain about this season. So this is one more important thing. I'll come back to it. So I will just take this one more explanation. Actually, if I draw nicely, I need not come to images, but still, I will do it for you. Okay. Now, please little attention so that you will understand how the seasons. Now, one thing is clear. We are at Mount Meru. We consider ourselves at Mount Meru because we are just very close to it. So that's why we can take it. And sun is rotating. Okay. So sun is rotating around Mount Meru. So one rotation is 24 hours. Now, why is the seasons are coming and why the sun is sometime rising at different days, different days, like sometime it comes at 5:30, sometime it will come at 7:30. So why these things happen? And how the seasons. So seasons and different timings and different locations also. So if you are clearly observing, the sun does not rise at the same point every day. It will be changing from left to right. So it should come from east, but sometimes it will be northeast, sometimes it is southeast also. Means it is just going here, there. It is not exactly middle. So why these three things are there, we will try to understand now. So till now this is clear for all of you. So now I will explain the next concept. So here what happens is sun's chariot is going on Manasottara mountain. I told Manasottara mountain is it like tilt. I'll show the video also, but I'll explain this and then show video. Then it becomes clear. So now the chariot wheel is on Manasottara. Okay. This is the wheel. And here is the sun. Sun. Wheel. And here is Mount Meru. Okay. So now what happens now? This wheel goes while rotating, and this Manasottara mountain is not like this. It is like continuously the whole Manasottara mountain is like this. Means it is like a if you are sitting in a stadium. In a stadium now you have chairs around, but the chairs are not they are not in a line. There is a tilt. Up you go means the behind the chairs are top, like no, here the chairs, the stadium chairs are like this, and the whole stadium is filled with like these chairs. It is clear, no? So now this Mansutra mountain is also like this. It is still. So what happens now? This wheel of sun, while rotating around this Mansutra mountain, it goes up and down of this Manasutra mountain. Sometimes the wheel is on the top, sometimes the wheel is on the down. So the wheel comes down, then the sun comes closer to Mount Meru. If sun comes closer, what it becomes? It becomes summer. Now what we are suffering here. That means the wheel of chariot is in the lowest part of Manasotra. And when it is very far, then what happens? It becomes very far from the Mount Meru. Then it comes what? Then comes winter. You're understanding? So the wheel, while rotating, it goes up and down. So I'll show the video also for you for that. But till now it is clear. Any questions? Yes, Deepa Mataji.
Hare Krishna Prabhuji, Dandavat. No, I actually raised my hand earlier when Mataji
Yeah,
was asking if the other wheel is on Meru. But what I heard was actually that the other day you were only giving an example of that ox, this one, no? The what is that oil? What is it called? Oil
yeah,
gunning,
yeah,
where
yeah,
in the
yeah,
center there is one kind of a place to which the axle is actually attached, and around
yeah,
that the ox is moving. So that's
yeah.
what I had heard, that there is one wheel of the chariot. It's a single wheel, and that is rotating. The other side of the chariot is actually attached to this Mount Meru as the oil
Axis.
gunning, as the axis.
Yes.
So that's what I had heard, that there is no
Yeah, yeah,
second.
that is correct. That is agreed.
Yeah, yeah.
Only thing
Mataji
is
was
what
asking if the other wheel was on Meru.
wheel means it is not wheel. Actually, it is the
Ah,
fixed point there.
fixed point. Yes.
It is
Around
not a
which
wheel.
the
It is an
rotation is done.
axis. Axis of
Yes.
axis.
Yes, yes, Prabhuji.
So now I will try to show the video of it so that you will get now more clear idea how these things work. this is Dhanvir Maharaj, the original, the first video which everybody took. Actually, Vyadiraja Tirtha is the one who gave that diagram of Vedic cosmology. So then everybody took it from him only. So we should appreciate our acharyas. It is their contribution which we are trying to take it. They have done quite good research to come to that level. So this video will give a quite easy understanding about the movement of sun. Yeah. So I will share the screen for you. Yeah, you see here. Now this is Bhumandala, and this shining thing is Dhruva star. This is all solar system. This will come in the next chapter. This dolphin you are seeing here, that is called Shishumar. That is also explained in the next chapter. Will not go now, but we'll come to this aspect of sun. So Shishumar. See here, you are seeing in the left side, you are seeing one bright thing, that is sun. So and how it is moving, the chariot is nicely shown here. This is pole star. All are rotating around pole star. Even sun is also going around it. And yeah, see here the sun is moving around. And here somewhere in between is the Mount Meru. And when the sun rotates around this Bhumandala, then you get night and day and night. So here sun is moving, and that's why you are experiencing day and night. That is the movement of sun. So this is quite clear. So how it is moving? It's the top part. Sometimes it moves up down. That the difference comes here. Now it is going to explain 6 months day and 6 months night. Why it happens to this is because of the tilt earth is having and the movement of on the chariot on Mansutra. That the video it will show further for you. So Dakshinayana Uttara. Yes. Okay. Now you see this image. This is going up and down. This is the wheel of sun god. And what you are seeing is this is Manasottara mountain. This is not straight. It is having a, it is like a rectangle. So this is going up and down. So when it is going, when it comes down, it becomes closer to Mount Meru, that is summer. When it goes up, it is winter. Another image will come, it will make you more clear. So the movement, sun is not only going around, it is going up and down also. Up and down in the sense, it is coming closer and further. So that should be understood. So now you see this chariot of sun god. So single wheel and he is running. Sun god is there. And you see the chariot is rotating. You see wheel is here, chariot is in between, and the pivot, the top part is on Mount Meru. You are seeing the wheel is on Manasottara and he is in between. And then the another axle is on the Mount Meru and he is rotating. and the wheel goes up and down also. That also another image will come. It will make you more clear. There is a diagonal shift. You are seeing? Yeah. Now you see this image. This is Manasottara mountain. Sometimes it is going up, sometimes it is coming down. I told you it is like a stadium sitting arrangement. In the stadium, you see it is like up. So when you go up, then the wheel is up, then the sun is also a little far from us. That time it will be winter. So when the wheel is coming down, then it becomes summer. So while sun is rotating around the earth, you see sun is here. So when it is here, this part is bright, other part becomes dark. So sun is moving around like this. So it is crossing the four celestial. This is the top of Mount Meru. So wherever it is crossing, that part becomes day, and when it is cross over, it becomes night. So that is very easy for us also to understand. They experience the midnight through other cities experience sunrise and sunset. That is what is explained. And you see this image. This is Bhumandala. Here, the bigger the shining part, it is Kanchana Loka. It is all made of gold. After that is actually where the other dvipas are there. This is Aloka Varsha, but before that is also not so much. Kanchan Loka is also huge. And yeah, this is, and here na where the yellow part, this is Manasottara mountain. So this is Manasottara mountain. After that is Kanchan Loka. And somewhere here sun is there, and then we have in between is the Jambudvipa, which we study like this. And because the earth is also very close to it, so here all these varshas, they are not easily understood. Means, of course, why we cannot understand that, I'll take another session. Just I am showing the what is given. If we get demigod rights, we can see like these things that are there here. We are not able. And now we get this is earth. So when sun is rotating around Mount Meru, it is rotating around earth also, right? That's why we get a day and night. And because it is going further and near, we get seasons, winter and summer. Clear? So earth is little tilting so that the top of it is directly matching with Dhruvaloka, because Mount Meru's top is directly perpendicular to Dhruvaloka. So north pole of our earth is also perpendicular to Dhruvaloka. That's why there is a tilt, because this gap is there, like that. So now even the sun is rotating around, we get day and night. This Himalayas and Mount Meru don't block it. So I'm sorry for this. Okay, now I'll give any questions till now. Okay. So does the rotate according to Vedic cosmology? No, it does not rotate. Axial on Mount Meru, not Venus. Correct. Okay. Any questions, comments? Okay, we have one. I think we have. Yes, Deepa Mataji.
No, Prabhuji, sorry, I forgot to lower my hand.
Okay, okay. Shyam Vallavi Mataji.
Hare Krishna, Prabhuji, Dandavat Pranam. Now we are talking about this Bhumandala, na Prabhuji. Then the sun is in the Bhuvar Mandal. Then what about this Maharloka, Janaloka? They will all get sunlight, Prabhuji.
Oh, they all get sunlight.
But the sun is in the Bhuvarloka.
Actually, they don't need sun. Sun is till Swargaloka only they need. After that, they don't need also. I'll show you that image where the sun is lit brightly around. Just check.
So the sunlight will not go below this Bhuloka, Prabhuji, then?
No,
Hellish
no, it
planet.
does not go. No. Yeah. I'll share the image for you. Then I'll draw also. See, you are seeing here, and in this image, no, here you are seeing one bright on the bottom side. That is actually sun. This sun lit till Swargaloka, everything it will lit around.
Where
And
is
then
the
we
sun,
have,
Prabhuji, in the picture? Where is the sun?
I'll show. This one, Mataji, here.
Okay, okay.
Yeah. And yeah, here you can see this is sun. This is on Bhuloka. And I will explain how it is in the, I'll draw for you and show. See here, I'll draw it small, Mount Meru. And here is the Dhruvaloka star, pole star. And then all the Swargaloka planetary systems are here. They're all. And then Bhurloka planetary system, which is at this level. So there are two different planetary systems. And this is Bhumandala. Clear? So now what happens is, here somewhere is sun. And then we have Mansotra mountain. This is the Mansotra mountain. And now we have here Loka mountains. And this Loka mountain, the height is as big as pole star, this much height. So it is covering the whole Bhumandala's height till here. It is all Loka mountain. So till height is all till pole star. So the sun's rays, they can go till here only. And it does not go below, it does not go above, and it does not go outside. So here, this Loka mountain is covering the rays of sun from going outside. So after Loka, it's all dark. And below is also dark regions. So above pole star, Janaloka, Maharloka, Tapaloka, they don't need sun only. They can manage themselves. Clear, Mataji?
Yes, Prabhuji.
Yeah. So
Generally, pole star we still see above Brahmaloka, Satyaloka, not like that, Prabhuji, then.
no. It is not above Satyaloka. It is below only. Why it is a very special place? Because of two reasons. All the planets, they rotate around Dhruvaloka. That's why it is very special. So I will show the image for you.
And what is the height of that Meru mountain, Prabhuji?
Meru mountain is 80,000
No,
yojanas.
here in this till Bhuloka, Bhuvarloka, Swargaloka, like that.
It is 0.88 80 million 80,000 yojanas. That's all. Mount Meru's height and the sun's height is same only, Bhuvarloka planetary system. Okay, now I will show you this images of various heavenly planets. So here you can know about other heavenly planets. Just I'll share the screen. Yeah. So here first is from Garbhodaka ocean, topmost planet you are able to see here Brahma, and this is Brahmaloka. And below Brahmaloka, now you get different planetary systems. They are explained here. So below Brahmaloka is, I will explain about this planetary systems more detail, but I think this is quite clear here. Tapaloka this is, and then this is Maharloka, then down is Janloka. So in the universal form also we can see. So after this Janaloka, Tapaloka planetary system, below down, we have so down is, yeah, this is Swargaloka planetary system. Now Swargaloka planet system, the important planet here is Dhruvaloka, pole star. And all these planets, all these heavenly planets and all, even the sun also, they rotate pole star as the center. That side is a very special place. And not only that, the Milk Ocean, where the demigods go for worshipping the Lord whenever they are in trouble, it is also in Dhruvaloka. So that's why it is a special place. So it is not, you are seeing here, it is that you are seeing the middle part, that is actually Dhruvaloka. So this is not, above that is Janaloka, Maharloka and Tapaloka, but this is Swargaloka planetary system only Dhruva. But because it is center and everybody is rotating around it and Lord is also residing, that's why it is like a Vaikuntha planet. Clear?
Okay. Thank you. Hare Krishna.
Yes, Gail Matish.
Hare Krishna Prabhu. Yeah, this is the most basic of basic questions. I've never really understood the tilt of the earth. And the reason is because the earth is like is spherical. So if you take a ball, how it seems like how can you see a tilt in a sphere?
Yeah.
I don't know if you understand my question.
It is a globe only. Earth is, what we are staying is a globe.
Yes. And so how can you see an axis? Anywhere can be an axis or
See, what we are doing, we are calculating with the pole star and we are calculating with sun. So if you say sun is exactly it should be at the equator. So I will show the other video. See, yeah. Now, see here you are seeing the tilt is here. So why it is counting as tilt? Because we are taking this north pole as and pole star. We are connecting both pole star and north pole. So they are very in straight line. So this line you are seeing, that is with the north pole. Now you take the sun. if you take the equator, sun is like this. So now this axle which is showing to the north pole, and if you take a perpendicular line, if you are drawing, then only the tilt you are able to see. This is sun here and north pole here.
Wait,
Now
sun is where?
sun,
And
sun is on right side here. This image I showed you. Na? See, sun is here, or this side also you take. This is sun. Okay. And north pole, the Dhruva Loka, the pole star is here, this side. So now you are able to see the difference. It is not coming perpendicular. It is having a degree angle of change. So that's why we are saying Earth is tilted. You are understanding the difference.
no, I don't get. Anyway,
Okay, I will
I
draw
don't
for
want to
you.
take. I don't.
No, I'll draw. Not a problem. We have full time.
This is something I'm very slow with. You know, this all the this kind of astronomy stuff. Very, very slow with this stuff.
See, sun is here. Okay. Earth.
Okay. Okay.
Now here is pole star.
Okay.
Okay. Now
Yeah.
pole star is here. So now if you draw a line in between Earth like this, it should be like 90 degrees here. It is perpendicular.
Okay.
But if you connect, because pole star is fixed planet,
Yeah.
all the time everything moves in this creation except for pole star. It is fixed. So because it is fixed, we try to draw a line to this fixed point. So when we are drawing a line and then we count with the sun, we are seeing with the sun is also at this point only, always means at a particular time that it is going through equator properly. It is
Okay.
always at the middle of equator. So now if you take the sun and pole star, the difference is 23.5 degrees something.
Wait.
So that
Okay. So wait. So the sun is this horizontal line, and
yeah
the pole star.
is that angle line that is going that side. It is not
Yeah.
directly. So
But
that's why, but because pole star is always fixed. So that's why we say the earth is tilted towards pole star. Because we have north pole and south pole here. This is north pole and this is south pole.
you're saying, where did you put North Pole? Where did you put it? Okay, that's North Pole.
Yeah.
So
So this is north.
to connect North Pole to the pole star, you would have to tilt the Earth 23 degrees, you're saying, right?
Because north pole is always connecting to pole star. They are all in line.
But why are we saying, why do we connect North Pole to pole star? Why?
Because the pole star is always fixed planet. Everything in the universe is moving. Only that is fixed. So we have to connect to it to know where exactly we are. We have to connect to the fixed point, right? Then only we will be able to calculate everything properly. So now what is happening is, so this pole's north pole, okay, this is the straight line. If you draw a straight line from pole star, when it connects to Earth, this is the point where it connects, and we are telling this is north pole. But when you take the movement of sun, it does not go then north pole, south pole. The if you draw properly, the sun will be somewhere here, but no, but it is going like this here. So that's why we say no, it is tilted. That's why we are getting sun's movement is completely different compared to the direction of earth. Earth is like
Okay.
you are tilting the earth.
Yeah,
So
my
now I'll explain here. See here, pole star is there, and now here sun is there. Now Earth is somewhere here, but the sun is rotating, but pole star is like this slant. So it is not. So here the pole star is fixed. So Earth is in this direction, sun is in this direction, and sun is going around. So that's why we say this tilt is in relation to sun only. Otherwise, we cannot call it tilt also. It is tilted in relation to sun. Otherwise, anything can be fixed, anything can be east, anything can be west. No, we calculate according to sun. That's why it is considered like that.
well, we're calculating not, but we're calculating according to pole star. The pole star and the sun, they're like fixed. Can you
Sun is
say?
not fixed, na. Sun is moving,
Yeah, sun is moving, but
but the
okay, pole
sun's
star is.
movement,
Mhm.
the sun is moving. Sun is
Yeah.
moving, and then when it is moving, our Earth now it is coming exactly. Equator is the movement of sun. This is the movement of sun. Okay, sun is
Okay.
moving around the equator. It is always on the equator only. Any place,
Okay.
any time you take, it is on the equator. Okay.
Okay.
Now you try to draw a straight line on equator, but then Earth should be like this,
Yes.
but it is not like this
Mm-hmm.
because pole star is here. So that's
Mm-hmm.
why here is coming North Pole, here is coming South Pole. You're
Yes.
under- So North and South Pole are coming here and equator is coming here. Now
Mm-hmm.
you are now if you draw line like this, then you will say that okay, it is like slightly tilted. That is the conclusion that comes.
Yeah, it's only because we're connecting
With the
to
sun and
the.
north pole, if you are pole star and sun we are trying to calculate, then we say that oh it is tilted.
Mhm.
So that's why this
Okay.
image comes. Again,
Okay.
you are seeing this image now,
It's
plane of
coming.
elective, and this is not.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, I will try to be little more organized tomorrow. I'll not mess up like today. I promise.
Wait, Prabhu, one other thing, we were talking about the axle of the sun, right? Like
Yeah,
the wheel is on the Manasotira
yeah,
mountain, right?
yeah, yeah.
So there's an axle that's connected to that wheel that's on the Manasotira mountain.
Yeah.
But then you talk about another axle, right?
Means
The
the point,
axle,
the fixed on Mount Meru, it is fixed. The wheel is on Manasotara. It is only one single wheel chariot.
yeah. And then you said on Mount Meru, what happens?
It is fixed here.
Oh, it's just fixed there.
It is fixed and it rotates, fixing. Like next, say you want to. That's why that example of that. What do you say? That bull taking the
Yeah.
oil.
Yeah.
So
Mhm.
it is fixed at one point and it is rotating. So that's the example that is given.
So it's actually really just one axle, no? It's
They
just,
need only one axle.
yeah, it was just one rod. It's just that it's one axle, but it's fixed on Mount Meru, but it rotates around the Manasatara mountain
Yes, yes.
at the other end. But it's
Yeah,
one rod, basically.
yeah, only one rod. Yes.
Okay. Okay. Okay, Prabhu.
That is not rod like any steel rod or some metal rod. It is just what is astro cords.
Yeah. Uh-huh. Okay. Just last thing, the Kala chakra, that's synonymous with the zodiac belt, right? They're the same thing. The zodiac
What?
belt and the Kala.
Zodiac I'll explain tomorrow. Yes, I'll explain it tomorrow.
Okay, but
Tomorrow,
it is the
yes,
Kala
so
chakra,
tomorrow
no?
I have
It's the
time for.
Kala chakra, no? The
Ha,
Kala
that is Kala Chakra means
zodiac belt,
yeah,
no?
zodiac. Yes, zodiac.
Oh,
That
okay.
image I am going to. This is actually the zodiac explanation. Yeah, this one I wanted to explain. We'll come to that further.
Okay. Yeah. Thank you for going slow with the with the North Pole, South Pole thing. Yeah, it was helpful. Yeah, because you said that, because you we can only understand the axis is tilted if you relate the Earth to a fixed spot, which is a pole star.
Yeah,
Otherwise, because if it's not, if there were no fixed spot, right, with the
yeah,
equator, then you couldn't really determine an axis, right?
yeah, yeah.
Okay, thank you very much.
Thank you. Thank you all very much. Tomorrow I will try to be a little more organized and we'll try to do it a little more proper. Thank you very much, Hari.
Thank you, Krishna.